Assalamu alaikum, my dearest students. Today we are going to discuss an alarming issue or problem that comes environmental problem that comes under G20 presidency raised by Education Ministry of India, and that is sustainable consumption and production patterns. Sustainable consumption and production patterns, where sustainable means being able to being able of maintenance or sustenance. Sustainability is a societal goal that relates to the ability of people to safely coexist on earth over a period of time or over a long period of time, along with its main three main pillars or dimensions, that is environment, society and economy, where the environment is considered the most important pillar. And for this reason, in everyday use, sustainability is often focused on countering major environmental problems such as climate change, climate change loss of biodiversity, loss of ecosystem, loss of ecosystem, loss of biodiversity, land degradation, and various kinds of pollutions or environmental pollutions. The concept of sustainability can be used to guide or take decisions at the global level, national and individual levels, for example, for sustainable living. Now, the question is how to ensure sustainable consumption and production patterns. The sustainable development goal 12 has been developed as a program by an UN environment with targets covering a range of uh, entry points required for promoting responsible consumption and production. The UN Environment is the custodian agency for 10 of 13 targets, 10 of 13 targets and target indicators of Sustainable Development Goal 12 under the following 8 targets. Number one is implement implementing the 10-year framework of program on sustainable development goal. Number 2, sustainable management and efficiently use of natural resources. पहला टारगेट उसमें है कि जो यूएन एनवायरनमेंट ने दिया है वो है कि हमें 10 साल का फ्रेमवर्क प्रोग्राम इम्प्लीमेंट करना है फॉर सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट गोल 12 के लिए। दूसरा है सस्टेनेबल मैनेजमेंट एंड एफिशिएंट यूज ऑफ नेचुरल रिसोर्स, जो हमारे नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज है, जो हमारे कुदरती ज़राए हैं, उनका मैनेजमेंट करना और उनका एफिशिएंट यूज करने के लिए। हाल पर कैप्टा ग्लोबल फूड वेस्ट एंड रिड्यूस फूड लॉसेस, और जो फूड प्रोडक्शन है या फूड यूजेज है, फूड यूटिलाइजेशन है और फूड लॉसेस का उनका चेक एंड बैलेंस रखना। नंबर 4, environmentally sound management of chemicals and all wastes. Number 5 is reduce waste generation through prevention, reduction, recycling and reuse. Number 6 है encourage companies to adopt sustainable practices and to integrate sustainability information into their reporting cycle. Number 7 है promoting public procurement practices that are sustainable, sorry. And number 8 जो target है to rationalize efficient fossil fuel subsidies. तो अब ये है कि ये जो 8 targets UN environment ने set किए हैं, how why are they set and how will be our goal achieved? The only goal और गोल है क्या? द ओनली गोल इज टू एंश्योर सस्टेनेबल कंजप्शन एंड प्रोडक्शन पैटर्न्स। और क्यों है ऐसा, क्यों हमें ऐसा करना है, क्यों हमें सस्टेनेबल कंजप्शन एंड प्रोडक्शन का इस्तेमाल करना है, पैटर्न्स डेवलप करने हैं? बिकॉज द इकोनॉमिक एंड सोशल प्रोग्रेस ओवर द लास्ट century has been accompanied by environmental degradation that is endangering the very systems on which our future development and very survival depends. So also, COVID-19 offers an opportunity to develop recovery plans that will reverse current trends and shift our consumption and production patterns to a more sustainable course. A successful transition will mean improvements in resource efficiency, consideration of entire life cycle of economic activities, and active engagement in multilateral environmental agreements. Now what needs to change? हमें change क्या करना है so that we can increase our production or prevent the depletion or prevent the consumption or utilization or depletion of resources. तो there are बहुत सारे aspects हैं. There are many aspects of consumption that with simple change can have a big impact on society as a whole. For example, the global material footprints on an indicator of the pressure put on the environment to support economic growth and to satisfy the material needs of people grew by 17.4 to 85.9 billion metric tons in 2017 and as compared to 2010. Reducing food loss and waste can contribute to environmental sustainability by lowering production costs and increasing the efficiency of food systems. Look, we are also polluting water faster than nature faster than nature can recycle and purify water in its water bodies like rivers and lakes, which needs to be checked. Now how we can use as consumer, how as consumer we can help to maintain sustainable consumption and production patterns? Look, there are so many ways that in which by adapting them, which so many ways by adapting them which can help and the